Hi, I'm Ashwin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is all about credit cards. It doesn't matter whoever you are. You might be a student, you might be a working professional, you might be someone who is yet to start your career. This video is going to play an important role in your financial career. I will talk everything that you need to know about credit cards, and I will cover the most asked questions and myths about credit cards, and I'll also suggest you some free credit cards in the end. So please make sure you watch the video till the end. First of all, what is a credit card? Credit card is a financial instrument where you don't need to have money in your account. Like the credit card issuer or a credit card company will provide you some limit. You can use that limit and you can pay off the bill in the subsequent month. In general, you will be provided with 45 days of interest-free period, which means if you can borrow something from your credit card or if you purchase something from your credit card, you can repay that within 45 days of time. So this is the advantage with credit cards. It will act as an emergency fund. It will act as an emergency instrument. And apart from this, there are other advantages as well, which we are going to cover in this video. The first thing is there is a myth on credit card, which I want to answer. Most of us feel that credit card is something which will make us fall into debt trap, but it is not true. I cannot say it is 100% false, but it depends upon how you use your credit cards for. But yeah, this is a myth. Credit card will not make you fall into a debt. Instead, credit card will provide you more opportunities and benefits as well. What are the benefits of credit cards? If you can ask me, okay, a credit card will not make me fall into a debt, but what are the benefits that I will get by using credit card? The first and foremost thing is credit score. Credit score is something which will be provided by CIBIL and other credit score providing companies, which will be used by banks and all other financial enterprises to assess your financial health. It's similar to your health report. If you went to a doctor for something, the first thing that he or she will ask you is get a blood test report or get a report of your health condition, so that he or she will assess your health condition and will suggest you a better thing, right? Similarly, a credit report or credit score is something which will be used by banks to assess your financial condition, to assess your financial health and recommend you the best possible things. Like if you're applying for a home loan or if you're going for a personal loan, or it might be car loan, whatever it might be, banks or any financial enterprises will only give you that loan if your credit score is healthy, if your financial health is good, then only they will provide you that loan. Otherwise, you will see chances of rejections. You might think why will I need a personal loan or home loan or business loan? But we cannot say anything, right? Because at some point on your life, you might need a home loan or you might need a business loan or you might need so-and-so loan. For all those things, credit score is important. And if you use credit card effectively, if you pay off your bills on time, then your credit score will go high and there are more chances that you will be someone who will be liked by banks. So this is the first benefit of using credit card. And the second benefit, reward points. Most of the people use credit cards for reward points. For every transaction that you do, for every rupee that you spend, the card will issue some reward points for you. You can use that reward points for travel or hotel bookings or online shopping, see whatever you can. This is the biggest advantage because credit companies are encouraging you to spend effectively, spend more, so that you will get rewards in return. There are many credit cards which will offer you ample amount of reward points, which you can use later to book flights or travel tickets or hotels or even for online shopping. That is the biggest advantage using credit cards. You won't get that using debit card, right? Because if you pay UPI transaction, you won't get any reward points. See, that is the advantage of credit card over debit cards and other UPI payments. The other benefit of using a credit card is lounge access. Almost all the credit cards these days provide free domestic and international lounge access. Lounge in airport is just like a VIP waiting hall. You will have separate treatment there. You will get free food as well. If you're someone who frequently visits airport, then having a credit card is always a plus for you, because you don't need to wait in the common waiting area. You can have the VIP lounge access just by swiping your credit card. Almost all the majority credit cards provide maybe 2 or 3 lounge accesses per quarter. These are the benefits of using credit cards. Here comes the other question. How to use credit card effectively? So in order to get the most out of any credit card, you should know how to use them effectively. There are 3 ways that you can use them effectively. First thing, pay off your bills on time. This is more essential if you're using a credit card. because like if you pay off your bills on time, your credit score will go high. Then only you will get more benefits from credit card. Your credit score will go high, and your financial health will increase. Like this is the advantage of paying bills on time. So make sure whenever you use your credit card, if you get a bill, make sure you pay it on time, because credit card companies in general provide you 45 days of time to pay off your bills. So utilize that and pay off before the due date. So that is something which is very important. And the second thing, make your credit utilization low. In general, whenever you get a credit card, like you will be provided with maybe 2x or 3x of your monthly income. Like if your salary is 50,000, you can easily get a 1 lakh limit credit card, but don't use the entire limit. Make sure your credit utilization is less than 30%. If your credit limit is 1 lakh, only use 30,000 from that credit limit, so that your credit utilization will go low, which therefore helps in increasing your credit score. So if your credit utilization is low, then your credit score will increase. So that is very important in terms of financial health. So make sure your credit utilization is low. If you feel that that is not sufficient, you can request your credit card provider to increase your limit. That is not a problem. Like you can even get 5 lakhs or 7 lakhs limit with 50,000 salary. That is also possible. So if your credit limit is 5 lakhs, using 30% means like 1,50,000, which is still low. So ask your credit card provider to increase your limit so that your credit utilization will become low. Then your credit score will get increased. This is something that you should keep in mind. Your credit utilization should always be low. And third thing to make the most out of your credit cards is use reward points effectively. See, there are many people that I personally know. They just use their credit card reward points to book flights, to book hotels, to do online shopping. So make sure you check your reward points consistently and utilize them to the best level. Now, other common question that most of the people will have is like, how many credit cards should I own? There is no specific limit for that. It depends on your requirement. If you want to separate, your bills, or if you want to separate most of your expenses, then you can have multiple credit cards as well. I advise like not to have more than 3 credit cards, but still it depends on your requirement. Have at least 2 credit cards and pay bills on time. That is also important. So it's okay to have more than 2 credit cards, but don't have more than 3. So I suggest to have 2 or 3 credit cards. If you have 2 or 3 credit cards, your total credit limit go high. Ultimately, your credit utilization will go low, which is also an advantage for you. Now, other important thing is like, which credit card should I use? I will share some credit cards in the description. See, in general, credit cards are of different types. You will get lifetime free credit card if you are a salaried person. There are many banks will provide you lifetime free credit card. You don't need to pay a single penny to use your credit card, but the benefits are average, I can say. And there are some credit cards, they will have 1,000 annual fee or 1,000 joining fee kind of thing, but they are effective. But you will get more advantages and more reward points, which will ultimately help you. The 1,000 that you will be paying as a joining fee or annual fee, you will get 3x or 4x more than that. So that is also an advantage, and they will come up with more benefits than usual. So I have listed all the credit cards in the description. Please make sure you apply to whatever credit card that you feel is suitable for you. If this video got good response, I will make a separate video explaining different credit cards available and benefits of using them. I hope this video will help you to understand about credit cards completely. If you feel someone else would benefit from this video, please make sure to share this video in your network. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thank you.